Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. What I like to do on this channel is talk things that are tech and gadget related. So things that are trending in the technology industry. Also, I get my hands on products that I think are pretty cool, so I give you product reviews on those, and also things that you can find in particular on Amazon. And that's what we're going to be going through today, is just a variety of products that I've come across on Amazon that I think are standout items. So yes, thank you for hitting that subscribe button. Thank you for being here. And let's get right into it, because the first item has to do with enhancing your home theater experience with a soundbar that is actually affordable. So this is called the Majority Bowfell TV soundbar, and this has 14,500 reviewers roughly, giving it a 5-star rating. So you know that people are happy with this, and basically you're going to be able to experience crisp and intricate voice clarity alongside finely balanced background sounds. The soundbar offers 3 distinct modes: music, movies, and dialogue, ensuring optimal audio quality every time that you watch. So this soundbar brings remarkable clarity to complement the high definition visuals that you've invested in likely with your TV. It's just 15 inches wide. It comes with a built-in subwoofer and delivers a robust 50 watts of power, making it ideal for enhancing on-screen conversations. This translates to crystal clear dialogue without the need to crank up the TV's volume to uncomfortable levels. One satisfied Amazon shopper praised the soundbar, saying, quote, "I'm amazed by the performance of this compact speaker bar. I wanted something to enjoy Amazon Music and Spotify apps on my Roku without having to connect my phone or Fire tablet to the stereo. The sound quality truly surprised me. Plus, when my family watched a movie, we were thrilled by the theater-like sound in our cozy living room." When you're in the mood to turn up the volume, the Bowfell's 3 modes, music, movies, and dialogue, will enhance whatever content you are watching on TV. A simple press of the button on the included remote adjusts audio levels automatically, eliminating the need to mess with the settings. These modes enrich music, accentuate background effects, and elevate dialogue, eliminating the need to excessively increase the volume just to hear conversations. This is particularly good for those family members who have hearing impairments. There's a recent reviewer who said, quote, "My grandmother used to raise the TV volume to the maximum because she couldn't discern the dialogue amidst loud background sounds and music, so we invested in this budget-friendly speaker, and it works wonderfully, solving the problem." So setting up the soundbar is incredibly straightforward. You just plug it into your TV's RCA or optical digital port and you're good to go. It also offers a USB port and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to introduce your preferred music to the gathering using flash drives, phones, or tablets. You can even connect it to your laptop. So yes, a soundbar, a good one, can really make a huge difference whether you're watching movies, TV, or if you're into gaming. You really can't compare that TV out of the box audio quality to what a good soundbar can do. But not all of them are good. I've had bad ones in the past, but this one gets so many great ratings. It doesn't sound like you can go wrong with that. Okay, so this next item is one that you wouldn't really think about needing until you need it when you're in a bad situation on the side of the road, and I've been there myself, so I would have loved to have had this item. It's called DV Power Portable Jump Starter, and the appeal of this jump starter extends beyond just the cost savings potential. You can jumpstart your vehicle up to 20 times on a single charge thanks to 800 amps of peak current, along with heavy-duty clamps and cables. Its performance is undeniable. Furthermore, its compact dimensions allow it to be conveniently stored in your glove compartment for easy access. And of course, safety is paramount with this jump starter. Its intelligent jumper clamps, coated in a protective spray gold finish, incorporate an array of protective features: overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, overload protection, over voltage protection, and overcharge protection. These elements ensure your safety while you're administering a jump start to your car. A built-in LCD screen provides real-time insight into the remaining power at your disposal. Additionally, a built-in compass feature aids in navigation if you find yourself disoriented. When the time comes for a recharge, simply plug the jump starter in at home to restore its functionality. The jump starter has garnered a loyal following, boasting over 10,000 5-star reviews. One satisfied user said, quote, "I've already used it twice. It charges rapidly at home, and I store it in my trunk, complete with all necessary attachments. Now I can also come to the aid of others in their time of need." And another one says, quote, "This little device has won me over. It's incredibly handy. I've utilized it for my lawnmower, boat, truck, and more. It works like a charm on every occasion. I'm so impressed with it that I've ordered 2 more as gifts." And another attested to the jump starter's durability, having used it over 6 times with consistent success. Quote, "I've assisted multiple stranded individuals in my work parking lot, jump starting different vehicles and batteries. It even managed to retain a full charge for several months. This product has paid for itself multiple times over. My satisfaction with this purchase is unmatched." And while the hope is that you never encounter a situation necessitating a portable jump starter, being prepared for that sort of thing is essential. And I've been one of those stranded motorists in need of help, trying to get a hold of AAA at a ridiculous time, or trying to get a hold of friends to come help me out, and I would have loved to have had a jump starter like that to help me in that time of need. Now, this next product has to do with getting a better night's sleep, which we all could use, and it comes down to the type of pillow that you're using. Premium pillows often come with a premium price tag, making it a rare and fortunate occasion when we stumble upon a sale, especially for a big brand like Tempur-Pedic. So what we're talking about here is the Tempur-Pedic Symphony pillow. What sets this pillow apart is its ingenious dual-sided design, catering to a variety of sleep preferences. On one side, a subtle arch caters to back sleepers, while the other side has a flatter surface, and that's more if you're a stomach or side sleeper like I am. The Symphony pillow is a testament to versatility, embracing all kinds of sleepers. The arched side caters to those who favor sleeping on their back, while flipping it over reveals a smooth and even surface perfect for the stomach and side slumber. Each side is crafted with luxurious memory foam, ensuring that whether you opt for the arched or flat side, your head and neck will experience a gentle cradle as you embark on your journey into dreamland. This is crafted with Tempur's revered shape-retaining material. This pillow is proudly assembled in the USA. Maintenance is a breeze as well, thanks to its hypoallergenic cover that can be conveniently tossed into the washing machine for a thorough clean. One satisfied customer among the 2,000 plus verified 5-star reviewers said, quote, "This pillow surpasses any other memory foam pillow I've ever owned. Gone are the days of sleeping on a rock-like surface. This pillow even offers me comfort during my most severe migraines. My heartfelt gratitude for providing me with the relief I've longed for." Another customer hailed its pain-relieving properties, stating, quote, "I've battled intense neck, shoulder, and upper arm pain, and sleep eluded me. Despite seeking medical assistance and alternative therapies, nothing alleviated the discomfort. Astonishingly, a single night with this pillow, using the concave side, erased my pain. I am both delighted and astounded." One shopper even attributed the pillow to saving their marriage. Yes, you heard that right. She said, quote, "My husband's snoring has decreased by 90%. He suffers from sleep apnea and was prescribed a CPAP machine, which he never used. Prior to discovering this pillow, we went through a barrage of pillows that left me exasperated. While some snoring remains, it's now hardly noticeable. This pillow truly rescued our marriage." The pillow's hypoallergenic cover, crafted with 100% polyester, is both removable and machine washable, ensuring that your pillow is going to stay in its pristine state. In the realm of pillow perfection, the Tempur-Pedic Symphony pillow stands as a remarkable embodiment of support, comfort, and adaptability, now within your reach at a really nice price. Yeah, it's amazing how important a pillow is for a good night's rest. I had one of those hard foam pillows. I would fold it in half and lay on it like that, but after some time of sleeping that way, I started to notice some pain in my spine. It just didn't feel right. I would wake up with cramps in my neck, and obviously it's because I wasn't sleeping the right way. So now I have one of those big puffy pillows that you would find like if you were staying at a hotel, for example, and I sleep a lot better now. So to each their own. Some people like the foam pillows, some people like the big poofy ones, but either way, it's another option for you. Now, this next product is one for people who wear glasses and are constantly misplacing glasses. I do that all the time. In fact, thank you so much, Amazon, for having sunglasses that are easily replaceable, because I'm losing at least one of those every couple of weeks. I put the sunglasses over these glasses and then who knows where they go. But this product that I'm about to talk about is actually for your eyeglasses. And of course, these are much more expensive than your standard sunglasses, so it's important to know where they're at. So this item is called the Symphony plush-lined eyeglasses holder with magnetic base, a solution that eradicates the frustration of misplaced spectacles and those late-night searches for reading glasses. The concept behind this spec station is uncomplicated, which is nice. We're talking about a faux fur-lined holder paired with a magnetized base, and it's basically going to make sure that you know where your glasses are at all times. And there's a lot of shoppers who are giving thumbs up to this. Over 12,000 are saying that this is a great product. So imagine a flower vase designed exclusively for your glasses, a haven that ensures that they remain secure, comfortable, and upright. The base resembling a coaster, possessing magnetic properties that prevent any unintended tipping. As someone who has often fumbled around for glasses in the dark and knocked them off, I'm personally a big fan of this idea. Okay, so one ecstatic reviewer shared their experience saying, quote, "I tend to keep my glasses on my nightstand at bedtime for quick access. Previously, I'd inadvertently knock them onto the floor every morning while half asleep and fumbling. This happened without fail. Imagine trying to locate glasses on the floor when you need glasses to see. This product was a perfect remedy. In the morning, I simply feel for the fur to easily locate my glasses even in the dark. The inclusion of faux fur not only infuses a delightful touch, but also serves a practical purpose for safeguarding lenses." Another shopper said, "I have a habit of carelessly placing my glasses on my bedside table before sleep, inadvertently causing scratches on my lenses. This glasses holder boasts a soft interior and robust exterior. Now I tuck my glasses in every night." Another customer says, quote, "This is a perfect addition to my desk. Since I wear two types of glasses, switching between cases can become tiresome. This holder simplifies the process." With a range of over 20 colors and patterns to choose from, there's an option for every eyewear ensemble that you own. Beyond personal use, consider the potential for gifting, a year's supply of thoughtful birthday presents and stocking stuffers. So we're talking just around a $10 investment to make sure that your glasses don't go missing. I'm one of those types where if I wake up and I can't feel for my glasses and can't find them, then I'm in real trouble, because I certainly can't see that well in the dark, and I have to squint even to see all of you right now. So yeah, it's a good thing to invest in something to make sure that you know where your glasses are at all times. Okay, so if you're someone who likes to seek out the outdoors and water features like rivers and lakes, and you need a good floating cooler, I found one for you. Check it out. This is called the Intex Mega Chill Floating Cooler, and it is currently being sold for $17 on Amazon. And this is amazing because this can accommodate up to 30 cans, while an additional space ensures the snug placement of 15 extra cans along with provisions like sandwiches and snacks. So imagine having a BLT and just sitting there in the water, and then you have this nice little bonus, which is an Intex Mega Chill Floating Cooler just attached to your lounging apparatus, whatever you're using, to guarantee full relaxation. And this goes beyond just lakes and reservoirs. You can also use this in the hot tub. It even has a storage compartment for the ever so important TV remote. That is a smart design. So a lot of people are giving thumbs up to this, over 4,000 exactly. And one reviewer says, quote, "It's a floating cooler. The build quality is exceptional. The drink holder is reliable and firm. The supplementary storage compartments along with the sides is a masterstroke. The cooler segment is comfortably accommodating a 12-pack nourishment and hydration. A dash of ice, lid secured, you're set." And another one says, "In our weekend kayak escapades, we yearned for a superior cooler. The Intex Mega Chill emerged as the perfect solution. With its buoyant nature, it accompanies our kayaks seamlessly. And this isn't huge in size. We're talking dimensions of 35 inches and just 3 pounds in weight. So this Intex Mega Chill floating cooler can just chill next to you wherever you're going and make sure that you and your pals are well taken care of out on the river or lake or hot tub or wherever you're going. So those are just a few of the products that caught my eye on Amazon. Again, the links are in the description box below. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe button as well for more technology updates, product reviews, and cool gadgets that I can get my hands on that are designed to make your life easier. I'm definitely going to be doing it on this channel. So thanks for tuning in. Make it a great one, and I'll see you next time.